Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're comparing two impressive mirrorless cameras, the Sony ZV-E10 and the Canon EOS R50. Whether you're looking to create stunning videos or capture beautiful photos, we've got the insights you need to make the right choice. Let's kick things off with price. Both the Sony ZV-E10 and Canon EOS R50 come in at $799. Reviewers appreciate that this price point offers great value for the features provided, allowing you to invest in quality without breaking the bank. Now on to the sensors. The Sony ZV-E10 features a 24.2 megapixels APS-C Exmor CMOS sensor with a BIONZ-X processor, which users rave about for its image quality and fast performance. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 also sports a 24.2 megapixels APS-C sensor but utilizes the DIGIC-X processor, allowing for impressive autofocus capabilities. Reviewers note that both sensors deliver excellent results, but the Sony has the edge when it comes to low-light performance. Next up, we have video capabilities. The Sony ZV-E10 is celebrated for its 4K movie oversampling from 6K with no pixel binning, making it a favorite among vloggers looking for high-quality video. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS R50 delivers 4K uncropped video with dual-pixel CMOS AF2, which users appreciate for its smooth focusing while filming. Reviewers highlight that both models excel in video, but the ZV-E10 is particularly noted for its versatility in different shooting conditions. When it comes to focusing, the Sony ZV-E10 features a product showcase setting that makes it easy to shift focus from faces to objects, a hit among content creators. The Canon EOS R50 counters with its advanced dual-pixel CMOS AF2, covering a whopping 100% by 100% area with 651 AF zones. Users love how accurately the Canon tracks subjects, making it a great option for action shots. Reviewers generally agree that while both cameras offer excellent autofocus, the Canon excels in tracking performance. Let's discuss continuous shooting. The Sony ZV-E10 can shoot at 10 FPS, while the Canon EOS R50 takes the lead with 12 FPS using electronic first curtain. Reviewers suggest that for capturing fast action, such as kids playing or pets in motion, the Canon might be the better choice. Users emphasize that the extra speed can make a significant difference in getting that perfect shot. Lastly, let's look at special features. The Sony ZV-E10 boasts a background defocus button, which reviewers love for creating beautiful bokeh effects easily. The Canon EOS R50, on the other hand, offers advanced A+ assist, which is praised for helping beginners take better photos. Users appreciate how both cameras cater to different skill levels, making them accessible yet powerful tools for photography and videography. Overall, reviewers have great things to say about both the Sony ZV-E10 and Canon EOS R50. The ZV-E10 is often highlighted for its excellent video capabilities and user-friendly features, making it perfect for vloggers. In contrast, the R50 earns praise for its autofocus performance and beginner-friendly design, making it ideal for those new to photography. Which camera do you think is the best fit for you? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the product links in the description for more details. Happy shopping!